Yeah. We on some next shit with this. Hey yo, fuck your shoebox money. We buying whips with cryptocurrency right now. Yeah.
Tyler Durden, make them holler murder. Take them to the highest point of the earth, no need to follow further. The shit is universal, no time to do rehearsal. I never take a break, that shit is too commercial. I wasn't raised different, I was made different. Flow don't fuck around like it was raised Christian. Antisocial with these kids, we don't play with them. We just keep a small circle and we stay lifted. I need Monopoly bread. Told her if it ain't sex, then it gotta be head. I'm sure you got some candles, I prefer the sloppy instead. Do my own thing and they prefer to copy instead. The money got them in a frenzy, probably wanna envy. Glass half full, but the bottle's left empty. Baby, I'm a gentleman, but I don't do it gently. Backwoods with the Henny, rap good, never trendy. That push got plenty, I be off of the fields. Get in tune with the rhythm now. Like I'm out of the tombs. Each room's keep cool, going out with a boom. For the gold, I be walking every road on the map. Get a vibe low key and the flow is relaxed. But once the smoke is in the air and we pouring the jack, we like singers turn actors, we don't know how to act. Switch it up, let your bitch pop a bean and a half. Got a queen hitting ass, sipping lean in the bag. Bank robbery, we going and we leave with the cash. We just getting what we need, see no reason to ask. Drugs unlock doors in my mind where I never go. Learning to acknowledge while accepting what I'll never know. Living in the moment while we can, cause you never know. Just take the energy you got, baby, and let it go.
I came to spit a sonnet, sonically colder than comets. Surf a rocket to the moon and can't nobody stop it. I'm hyperbolic, my words curve extra wavy. You'll paint a map of the sky, shit you can call me Haley. Realize you don't know shit, the quicker you gon' roll. Got that van, gon' blow, crazy on a sorry night. Hate a couple boomers on my way here and I'm feeling right. Hop up out the whip and say what up to everyone around. Let me get a show that you already know how I get down. Overdone, say I'm overdue for all these accolades. I don't really think about it, I'm just trying to rap and pace. Stack a couple bitcoins, haul up on my Nakamoto. Chillin' with your lady friend, she rock a red on Takamono. Posted up in Acapulco, shout out to the homie Smoko. Loco at the show, hold up, posted for the family photo. Epiphanies on symphonies, epic epigrams. Man, these words last for centuries. This shit's timeless, scribe it on your tomb. Don't say the sky's the limit when there's footprints on the moon. Moon walking on the sun beaming, I'm a star. Star shooting into space, spaceship it up to Mars. Yeah, I'm universal, my purpose to personal. This path and get back, that's how life's supposed to circle. Yo G, pull that purple, run that beat, back reversal. I don't need no damn rehearsal. This is internal, eternal. Life is like a flick, leaving space for the horns. That's my shit. Until we meet again, paint the world with brighter colors. Word to the pride mob, y'all my sisters and my brothers. One time for the lovers, spread that energy around and keep it all in motion, getting lost inside my sound. A couple bitcoins. Money, hold up on my Nakamoto.
Hola, disculpa, ¿necesita habitación, señor?
Gracias, gracias.